OpenAI, that's the company that actually has Chat GPT. They've decided to go ahead and release an open version of their advanced AI model, which is a super powerful language model. And it marks a significant shift in their sort of methodology because OpenAI has traditionally kept its most advanced models proprietary due to concerns about misuse and safety. The details of the release really model capabilities, the open source model called Chat GPT OpenAI GPT 4.0, and the O stands for open.
Oh, let me see one thing here now. If you want to put the full screen.
Oh, I'm actually just going to read through here. I'm not gonna scroll through everything.
Okay.
I'm just
All
going to
right.
have the headlines here for mine.
Okay.
So accessibility, the model is freely available for researchers, developers, and the public to use to modify and build upon. Performance, it's not exactly identical to OpenAI. Most advanced commercial models, but it is competitive with leading alternatives. I would say in a lot of cases that OpenAI, maybe you agree with me here or not, Rick, but I think that because it's been around longer than most other tools, it is more advanced in many cases. Not so much on the image side, but in other applications, it's pretty darn powerful.
Mm-hmm.
And why is it important? Well, it's the democratization of AI. By making it such a powerful tool open source, OpenAI is empowering a broader range of individuals and organizations to innovate, experiment, and create new applications. And there's a lot of transparency through collaboration. It inspires competition and innovation. And then always there's potential concerns, safety and misuse. OpenAI has included safeguards and usage guidelines, but open sourcing powerful models raises concerns about potential misuse, such as generating misinformation or harmful content. And that really gets into the wild, wild west of the whole thing, ongoing oversight. The AI community and OpenAI will need to monitor how the model is used and continue to develop best practices to, kind of protect from the negative side, potentially. So then on the big picture side, its decision to release that advanced AI is really a landmark moment in the field, encouraging innovation, transparency, and broader participation. So we should see some real interesting things unfold here with broad access being available there.
Yeah, so you brought up an interesting point there, that AI, the ChatGPT, it's very interesting to observe that. I don't remember. I believe IBM had an AI that would have that voice kind of communication as well. That was a while ago, more than half a decade ago. Siri was around as well with the talking kind of mode. Microsoft then tried to add that talking. Jordana, I don't remember the name. But the point that I want to make is that it's not always the ones that are first in the market or with one technology that deliver the best service, right? Like, I remember that so clearly, Noah, and for the public, if the public can relate as well, is that forever I wish Siri would work the way they first advertised. So basically, you just give a command to add something in the schedule, and it would add, or find the address and would do the address, so on and so forth. But they never delivered. It was very the conversation was very poor. Like ChatGPT make it such a immense positive work in that sense. Uh, and like parallels to that I can remember was once we were talking about, like, it also doesn't matter about the amount of resources. It truly depends on the people working in the companies. They put there's a combination there of skills, capacity of leadership, so on and so forth. Because what I thought was SpaceX, if I remember correctly, came after Virgin Galactic, which is for space travel, let's put it like this. And the progress that SpaceX made was much more impressive, if I can put it like this. Even the owner of Amazon had his own projects for space travel, but I'm not sure if how they're doing. But SpaceX kind of got the lead on that. Just to make a parallel. But yes, ChatGPT truly delivers something very intuitive and easy to use, which hopefully other companies, like you said, like multiple companies delivering such a good service, like Meta just released, we talked about last week. Hoping that Grok also delivers something similar to that, something very intuitive, easy to use on the cell phone. So yeah, those are some aspects that, regardless of investment, even though that's necessary, of course, it does have other elements that make such technologies be very easy to use and intuitive, I would say. Yeah, like on the news that you were reading, the amount of resources that flow for those companies is crazy, right?
Yeah, totally.
The Chinese are also investing a huge amount in this tech as well. Wow, it's just the billion guys, billions and billions and billions.
If you enjoyed the content from the short and you want to see more like it, click here. If you want to see the full podcast, click here. Be sure to like and subscribe.